Hi there, what I'm going to show you now is how to add a basic assignment. This is when you require information back from pupils. So it might be setting a homework assignment or getting them to write an essay and they submit their essay. It could just be that they've completed some practical work and you want them to take a picture of the practical work and then submit it to you. Adding an assignment in this way is the best way to give pupils the opportunity to personalise their submission, because what they can do is they can add a variety of different attachments onto this assignment that you can then view. So to do this, you're going to create an assignment. And it comes up similar to creating material. I'm going to call this task 1. I'm going to call it basic assignment. It's going to be in the home learning classroom, but obviously you can click other classrooms if you want to assign the same assignment to a variety of classes. All students, you can select whether you want it to be unmarked or whether you want it to be out of 10 or 20 or whatever the score is going to be that you're going to grade the assignment on. You can then put in a due date. So if you want to select a date and a time, this gives the pupils something to work towards. You can then select where you would like this assignment to go. So if you would like it to go under the help topic or the useful links topic, or you can also create a topic. So I'm going to call this homework tasks. I'm not going to go into rubric or originality reports just now. We're just going to keep this simple. So the basic assignment is to complete a daily diary of lockdown experience. This is just a made up task that I've just added just for the purposes of this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add an attachment to this. So I'm going to go to add, and this attachment I've uploaded into my Google Drive. And it's the last thing I uploaded, so it should come up in recent. So there we go, task 1, basic assignment. And I've created this as a PDF, because a PDF can't be edited. I don't want them to edit anything, this is just for information. So I'm going to add that task in. And you can see here that you get the option for students to view, edit or make a copy. Just now all we're focusing on is viewing the file. I'm going to go into further in other video tutorials on how to edit and how to make a copy for each student, but for now we're going to leave it on students can view the file. As before, you can either schedule or draft the assignment, but for now all I want to do is assign. And you can see here that the homework tasks come up and here is the assignment. So as I only have 2 pupils in the class so far, it is assigned to these 2 pupils. And what you can do is you can go in to view assignment and you can see the 2 pupils that this has assigned to. And once they start to upload their information, it will then go into this place here. You can also look back at the instructions that you gave along the top here. You can edit these instructions by using the 3 dots. And again, go back to student work. Once they've uploaded, you'll see it here. What I'm now going to show you is what the pupils see when they look at this assignment. So as you can see, it has updated on the stream. And I can go into it from here and it takes me straight to the assignment. But also, the pupil can go to it from the classwork tab. You can see here, it's coming under homework tasks. And here's the assignment here. If I click on it, it will open up. This is what the pupil sees, so you can see it's slightly different from how you view it. The pupil can click on any of the resources that you've added. So here's the PDF that I added as a wee example. You can put your learning intention, success criteria, a wee example of what you would like the pupil to do. It could also be a PowerPoint, or it could be a Word document. It could be any sort of resource that you want the pupil to use. It could be a link to a website. Anything can be added in here the pupil can use to complete the task. People can see how many points it's worth. They can add a class comment so that everyone can see it, or they can write a private comment to you. What the pupil then has to do is they can go to add or create. So say they want to create a Word document, or a Google Doc is the version that they would call it. They can then go to Docs, click on Docs, and that will open up a blank Google Doc, which is the equivalent of a Word document. They could then type in what they did that day. They could also add links into it. They could add pictures into that Google Doc, or they could just upload images from their Google Drive. They could add links to websites they've maybe visited or used. And then once they've uploaded all those things, they just mark as done. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to create a tutorial video on the pupil replying to this task.